operator. Okay, let me confirm once again. Yeah, it's recording started. Yeah. So the reset operator means the deletion of values from the key figure is mainly used for adjusted and override key figures. So when we start the demand planning scenario, so we'll create the few adjusted and override key figures where we can use this operator in future. Okay, in our sessions. So hope that concept is clear. Yesterday's concept is clear to you. Based on that, yesterday I was discussing the okay. So Abdel asked some questions regarding the master data, how we are creating the CVC and other stuff. So a little bit confusion. So I need to give some session. So I'll talk 10 minutes initial on that. I'll try to create the planning object structures in front end. Okay. So whenever the project goes, so when I defined, okay, when I define my key figures, okay, for example, sorry, pay air. Okay, bare month sales yesterday one created, okay, at product cost level you take. So this key figure is I'll go to edit mode, is a stored key figure. Okay, is a stored key figure. It is a not calculated key figure. The system, what we'll do, system either we are bringing from out, we are loading this key figure from outside the system from CPIDS. Majority times we are loading this key figure from CPIDS. Okay, so in stored key figures. In that time, we need to maintain CVC. What is CVC? Core extra value combination or planning object. They will call POC. In IBP word, they'll call POC, planning object combinations. So please remember both CME. So some consultant will call CVC, or new consultants will call POC. POC means planning object combinations. In generally, and which are the combinations you are working in your plant, which are your organization you are using in planning. For example, using customers, you are using distribution centers, you are using a set of key figures, that is PVC, sorry, CVC or POC, planning object combination. Okay, so this stored key figure, if I declare this, so when we are loading the key figure, so the key figure file should contain all data of POC. Okay, so let me go to this Excel. I created some simple IPM formatting today. I got some 10 minutes of time where I created sheet for you. So anyhow, I'll discuss next session, coming weeks, I will discuss some EPM formatting, how to use the EPM sheets, all details. Okay, so here in this here, so SAP is given to option to us the create CVC or POC in Excel itself. Planner can create it. Okay, so this is also controlled by master data, and also you can delete the planning object. Okay, this is CVC or planning object combinations. Okay, so yesterday we are forced system from backend, so create some CVC. Assume this is this key figure coming from outside the system, then system automatically in background, when you load the key figure from our data, system will automatically upload the data. This key figure is also the same route used by all CPIDA job monitoring. If you go here, data integration job, data integration apps. Okay, so here the data integration app. So here only we all key figures also loaded from CPIDS. This is the main app, as yesterday I said, application data application integration app is very important app. All CPIDS, whatever you take integrate, you have to monitor here only. Okay, so if I download the template, this is the key figure. If I give the key figure, system is immediately go for planning area. So key figure always related to planning area. So my planning area is ZSHTAP, then key figure. Okay, key figure, all key figures, whatever system presents here. Okay, so let us, we will not get confused right now. So I'll go to month. Okay, MTH period, month planning level I had to go. Okay, so come down, come down or you have to go up. I think P, where it goes, month. Month
You had
broadcast.
it. You had it. You should go
Yeah, it's
lower.
up. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is actual quantity I created. Then where is my key figure? Accuracy is there.
I think it was down.
It was down,
Down,
yeah.
down,
Yeah.
down.
Further
Yeah.
down. Month.
Yes. Here, buyer, month broadcast. Okay, I think this is staying in okay, alphabetical orders. Okay, so this is the month broadcast. Okay, example, let us download this. Okay, this assume this file is coming from external system. Not assume, it is the rules. Means if you store key figure, if you're typing, so either data should be copied through your copy job, or data should come from your external file. Okay, so this data key figure data is also loaded from external file. Okay, so download it, finish. So let us see the what is the template, what it contains the data here, means what are the fields present in this upload template. Okay, so this contains key figure date, period ID, and the name of key figure. Okay, I'm loading customer ID and product ID and key figure date. This is the format I downloaded from Excel. So upload data should contain same data. So let me go here. I would like to upload some data here. So cust ID I can put customer not CN. Okay, period ID I will put as not period ID, PRD ID. Period ID is totally different. I will come in future when we'll discuss on other stuff. Product ID. So product ID, what we created, IBP 100. Okay, this is your monthly sales, customer sales. This is the key figure. What you want put, you can put 100 or whatever data you can enter here. So here key figure date. So this is at month level. This base unit as month level. System will accept data at month level. Okay. So go here and just I'll put this is history data, no? So we are loading from April 18, 2018. We are loading the data for system. So I will put 200. Sorry, 0104 2018. Just put the date format. Okay. So here drag it out. Sorry. System is taking in day wise. I want to do some month wise. Let some. Okay. So in home, I think how to add here, any idea? Means I forgot here. This is new Excel for me. I don't know what happened to this. Conditional formatting. I want drag in terms of month.
Srini, simple option would be go to that second month, put it as like 1/5/2018.
Okay, then drag.
Second,
Okay, then
yeah,
system
then select that first and two, and then drag it down.
It will drag it down. Okay, thank you.
Yes, yeah.
Who is this?
Sham.
No, who is iPhone was entered waiting for? Okay, admit. So let me check once again. Hello, who is joined from iPhone?
Hi, Srini. Satish here. Actually,
oh, sorry.
Disconnected.
Okay. 05 2018. No.
No. See, actually, okay. Select that two rows actually, like
Yeah,
first and
they
second.
do not bad.
Both. Yeah.
Okay.
Now
Now
drag
I
it.
drag.
Yeah, both of them. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. So from 4, 7, 8, 9, 12. So then I load IBP. Just copy this line, and this is the IBP data. What happened? No. Sorry. Okay, so this is a 100 sales for this. Okay, and my product is CN. Okay, so this is my for customer 1. Okay, so similarly, what I need to create for other CVC I need to create, then I need to enter the same values for others also. Okay, just as a simplification, what I will do, so let this copy here, Control V, and which is my next is customer South. Just enter it and just same value. So same, I'm maintaining a same value at customer South. Okay, then similarly I will copy these values here. Okay, so this is the CVC values. If you are strong in Excel, and you can work it out, but it is all BW, all our files loaded from BW system only. So this is for our customer customer West. Okay, customer West, then rest will be
Actually, what does CVC stands for?
characteristics value combinations in IBP
Okay.
POC, planning object combinations.
Oh, okay.
So means I'm creating the planning object combinations here. Means what is the relation between customer West for this product for this month? What is the this is the one CVC. This is the planning, and with respect to key figure, I'm uploading this data in system. Then what happens in background? System will create the CVC.
Okay.
So
Characters. I will show you.
in IVP, POC means product location customer. Only
No, no,
three.
no, 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 no. POC
Mm.
means planning object combination.
Exactly. So the combination is only these three.
No. Whatever you can maintain combination. This is 3 resource will, when I start supply, resource will come, then production resource will come, then production item will come, then location resource will come. Lot of POCs will come.
So that is depends on a client requirement will create, or there is any standard POCs we have.
Standard POC means you are loading. No, I will show you how POCs get created in system now.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, these combination, this is depends on the client requirement we will design, or these SAP provided these combination
See,
like
this
product
combination,
location.
not this product location, all master data basic, SAP only provided. Okay, these combinations, what I'm talking, it is just, I need to create product, I need to create the customer, I need to create the location. Then I require the CPL location. A simple example I took, I require customer and product. This is the example I'm doing. So when a system, I upload this file from BW, then automatically whatever I load the data, system will calculate in backend, it will create the POC in the system.
It is similar like APO CVC, how we create based on sales history.
APOCEC, we are sales history. Based on sales history, we'll put into our info cube to will copy our
Yeah.
planning area. Same concept. When I load the file, system will automatically understand. Yeah, this is the POC coming. So it will go to the individual table level and checking. If you enter wrong data, system will throw error. If that
Yeah.
customer and that product is not exist, system will throw the error. Okay, so here CE. So this is just one example I'm showing the key figure load. Okay, just save this data. Okay, so in my in my Excel currently I have only one customer. Let me edit here. Might be I have created, or I don't know. Yesterday I'm doing key figures, filter, customer ID, all are here. Okay, let it me load. Okay. Okay, monthly sales is here. So there is no values right now from April 18 to for IBP 100 for all 4 customers. I created this master file. Okay, so this is the key figure. This data comes from BW system time series data, or this is a sales data, sales history data. This is not connected to your ERP system. This is not coming from your S4HANA system. This data should come from other legacy system or your BW system, where time series data. This is the sales data we are pulling into our IBP system. The same concept, the there is a task created by CPIDS consultant. They will create a task. They will give the wherever table comes. There's some little bit they will map in some mapping functionalities. They will do source and target. They will system. They will map and they will push the data to IBP. Okay, so source data is BW. Generally, 99% BW system to get the time series like data like this. Okay, so this is whenever you go, system will check all data. It will go to CN table, it will go to IBP table. If IBP table this is not defined, system will throw the error. This product is not there. Okay, so let me do on some okay, initially we load it with the success, otherwise it will confuse for you. Okay, so I save the data, then I will go there, cancel it, upload plus. So I'm uploading at key figure level. Sorry, other basic thing I wanted to tell. IBP, this is very important. IBP will take always date into this format: year, month, date. Okay, day format, date format. IBP will recognize this day format only. All IBP data, always date come in this format Excel. So whenever you're loading in Excel, if you use other format, system will it will not at all accept. It will throw away the file with errors, fatal error. System will not at all start the loading. So always remember this is a data, and might be last intro questions also.
Srini, one question here.
Yeah.
So let's say if your key figure is in like a week or something, like, and then you're trying to load the data like this in the month format. Okay. So does the system throw an error message, or like it converts that week into
system
a
has options. I will come.
Okay.
System has options. I will show you. But this
Okay.
remember, this our key figure is at only month level. Below we can't drill down. Yesterday I shown, means mine is month last. Below that I can't drill down. Okay, when I selected the key figure, so I can load this key figure at year level or quarter level. Then I can disaggregate.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the 2012. This format we need to give for all date format. So this system will accept it by this format only. Okay. Then try to load this key figure data. So master data, this gives this key figure. Key figure means give the immediate planning area. What planning area I want? So planning area is ZSH PATB planning area. Baseline version. Here time profile we need to give. What time profile we are bringing. Okay, so our planning area assigned to day wise, but we are loading our key figure month wise. If I select week or day, system will throw the error. It will not accept. Okay, so let me put it month only. Okay, so that is the basic our month level. And if you don't put, also system will automatically recognizes. Okay, so this is the file I saved in my download template, and open this file, what we've done it. Then operation type, insert update, and job name key figure. Okay, just save it, the job will start. So this symbol shows the job is executing, it is still processing, orange color. Still processing. So always key figure loaded from external system, and in background when you load, if the master data is present, system automatically create the POC, planning object combination in the system. That is a good question, Sham, you asked. Means at any level we can load the data in system, provided that time profile ID supports for that, and that key figure also should be stored. Here my period is month. Above month I can load it.
Okay, yeah, thanks.
Yeah, so green color, job is processed. Okay, let us come to my Excel and just refresh it here. Okay, refresh this. So all data is uploaded in the system. So what happened? System is created the CVCs, characteristics value combination. So whenever you load the file from external system, system will create the CVC. So yesterday Abdul asked this question, so he has a confusion regarding, so I went in backend and I created the master data here. Yesterday what I've done, I went here and I created from here our backend I created the data. So that was a little bit confusion all of you. So in general implementation, so all planning object combinations created by external system, provided you should create all master data type, location should be there and all details should be there. Let us put some today, means if I want to simulate, no, already I have done it. I don't want to do once again. Okay, if you put any wrong master data which is not present there, or if you put some unrecognizable part here, means customer product, customer system will go and check the master data in customer product here. Okay, so master data is customer product, create customer product. So when you are loading customer, here it goes, that relation is there or not. Then only system will give the clearance to load the data here. So it will check the product and location combination. If it is there, go and create the CVC and load that key figure. System give the instructions. If it is that combination is now not there, system will throw the error. This error only identified by application job, integration job app. So you have to come to here our integration job field and rejected, download the reports. Yesterday I shown you. Then we have to take necessary actions. What is the root cause? Then we'll come to it. Just straightforward English. There is no need to do a lot of investigation like our AP or ECC. Straightforward.
Srini, can you go to another Excel?
With this Excel.
No, you shown the product location, the combination you shown, right? You said the system will check somewhere.
Here.
Yeah,
This is master data. This is
yeah,
the
can
master
we
data.
say these all are the POC combinations? Late delivery,
This is the
market
master
family,
data.
market
This is a
segment.
not this. No. Don't get confused. Okay. So here only required field is customer ID and product. Okay, so all standard implementations, when you talk about our master data customer product, once again I'm repeating, little bit confusion all of us. So all once again I'll go you, means if we talk the basics, then only you can understand. It is little bit difficult concept, IBP. Okay, so here if I go and if I create attributes for this planning area, customer product, look the master data customer product. Where is the customer location product, customer product? This is a customer product. Okay, so this is the customer product, and I have what I have here. So there are two required key figures, product and customer. System will create CVC based on this only, customer and product. Customer and this for this location, for from this table, system is going to check, yes, this are there, this master data is there. System will come here when you are loading, it will check, material is there, customer is there, product is there. Okay, then create this POC in the system Otherwise, don't create. Otherwise, don't create any POC. System is having clear indicator. For one key figure, who is this?
Okay, so whatever you selected in the attributes, so that is the combination of POC.
Yeah. So this is a customer product. This is a customer product. Customer ID and product ID as root attributes. Based on system is going to create the POC in the system. Okay.
Okay.
So system is going to create POT, and if the data is missing, system will throw the error. And other generic thing is, if only one CVC is created at one POC, for example, customer product, you are having 10 key figures, and if you load it from external system, all POCs are get created. Whatever combinations you loaded, all POCs will get created. So for second key figures, it is not mandatory that key figure should be created. For example, calculated or copied key figures, system will automatically create the POC for that level. Customer product for all. If I go here, example, I think I have only one level at my here planning level. Month broadcast. Okay, only one key figure. Say there are 10 key figures or whatever, 5-6 key figures. Okay, for this month product level. Okay, this month prod cust level uses in one key figure, that is our buyer sales, BA sales, monthly sales, BA monthly customer sales. Okay, only one key figure. I can assign 10 key figures or 20 key figures per S, but if I load one key figure from external key figure, all CVCs are created in the system for all key figures. This is just basic. You just keep in your mind. Okay.
Yeah,
Only
it
under
is.
the same planning area, right?
Same planning area. All we are discussing in same planning area.
It is similar, right? So once the VCV is created, we can see the data in any key figure.
Yeah. Any key figure CVC data you can load, but the
And any
condition is
planning
that whenever you
levels.
do for in this level, some one key figure is loading from CPIDS, then other key figure, some copied key figures. In that case, you load this key figure, then all CVC gets created, then you start copying, deleting all other functionality of IPP. Okay. So hope I cleared out. Yesterday, Abdul asked some question for me. Abdul, so it's clear to you?
Yeah, sorry, I was on mute.
Okay.
Yeah, that's yes, that's
Okay,
perfectly.
so this is a little bit
perfectly
yesterday. I
fine,
mean,
yeah.
to run the scenario I was in. So this I
Yeah.
explained today how to load the key figures, and we finished how to load the master data. So whenever you load the key figure data, system will go to respective master data and identify if everything is there. Go and update. If already CVC is created, system is not going to create the new CVC. It's just updating or inserting its data in the
Is
system.
this way is the best practice? You never go onto a manual creation of key figure within the Excel like in
Manual
SAP?
key figure is also advised. I will come there. Manual
Yeah.
key figure also advised in some cases. So where say for example file is not loaded or system is not synchronized, planner has option to create the CVC and they can go ahead with their plan. Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna show us, right?
I'll show this. So okay, let us go
So
for
Sreen,
our
one question.
yeah.
So here you did is we copied the planning area, and in the attributes we will select what are required at the master data. So that we will select, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't get confused. Once again, I'll repeat it. This is our planning model. So I'm teaching you basic. I'm not teaching you how means I'm here not teaching any business process, nothing. I'm just teaching you the basics of IPP, the model configurations. IPP is 50% model configuration, as I said multiple times. If you understand the model configuration, if you understand the key figure, if you understand the planning levels, how the relations, then you can very easily, you can sim in IPP world. If your foundation is not there and simply if I talk some okay, this is the forecast, this is the app, if I start explaining all application app based this, you will not understand what is IPP. Use results, it will give okay, it's working fine. But if you teaching you means basic things, whenever you go for implementations in future, or you know the basics, you know the also I'm stressing more here. Okay, so general attributes, planning levels, attributes as a key figures version, planning operator. This all consists of our planning model, supply chain model. So what key figures you want, what attributes you want. So this is kind of I said means all SAP is standard, means we have to copy from sample model entities. Demand planning I can develop without copying, but rest of that scenario, for supply scenario or inventory planning scenario, I need to copy the SAP standard planning areas. So you know the sample entity, we have to go to sample entity and copy this. You keep your model ready, choose the key figure, and what is the addition of new metadata, solve a little bit of modification you have to do in your master data types and key figure types, and what are Z related key figures you have to define apart from standard key figures, what client want. So that is the only delta is there. So whenever implementation talk rapid deployment solutions, it is not like that year is required to implement IBP, hardly 4 months or 6 months. I think Jacob is recently done some with externals. May I ask just approximate how much month they proposed to implement SNOP process for your company, Jacob?
It's gonna be 4 months.
Okay, that's all. So it is standard. They will write in their contract, standard applications 19002 will be used. There is no developments. So they'll write in the contract. So whenever you do the implementation contract, we will write it. So only standard IPP implementation of 2002 version, and nothing will be, there is no zero, whatever I will functionality will implement it. So that is this. And here means when we go, so as I said earlier multiple times, we are copying the planning area, and whatever delta required client specific, hardly 20% or 10% client specific key figures and master data type, we are taking that, we are configuring it, and we are using some basic methods, and so we are activating the planning area. Then define the key figures, whatever delta key figures you identified for business. So identify those key figures, write the formula for that, calculate key figures, stored key figure, calculated key figure, copy key figures. So all design work will be there, maintain and design Excel, and the design template they'll call Excel, they will maintain. Then work will start. Okay. So yeah, who is this?
Srini, can I ask one question here?
Yeah.
Nothing related to this planning level. So yesterday we were doing a copy operator between a customer product to customer product location, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I just saw like you had like a total period as 33 months in that copy operator or somewhere, right? So and there was also like a period offset of minus 24, right?
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
Period offset of minus 24. Let me come to that topic. Okay. So period offset means just offset. Should not copy minus 24. As offset means minus 24 I'm maintaining. So 33 months I took. Let me come to that point and I will show you, explain. Yeah. So
can you click on attributes one time, please? Srini? Okay, so these all are standard attributes, whatever we copied from the planning area. So in each attribute, the root will be by default, it will be flagged, or
it will be flagged. For copied, it will, everything is flagged. So SAP proposes to use standard. SAP asks you use standard. Okay, and some client, if the implementation partners, what they will do is they are charging huge for clients. Okay, they're talking hourly, they are charging. So they want to show something, they will confuse to client. Okay, I added this key figure, I added this key figure. So they know how to show bunch of work. Oh, this is a complex work I executed. Okay. So, but basically just to copy standard key figures, that's all. What is delta is there, just to go and check what is, that is the work of consultants, IBP consultants. Okay.
Yeah, so we are copying, and in the each attribute we have the root, and based on that we will create the POCs. So that is the flow generally.
No, that is the flow, means see what happens, no? What if any implementation partner comes to in your business, he will not show you IBP system initial 2 months to you. Okay, so it is not like that. First day I will open, assume that your POC is over, everything is over, and they given to implementation of a project to you. Boss, come and implement IBP for me. So
no, POC means I mean planning object combination.
So it will
not
not
a
come,
proof of, not that POC.
That POC also means, I'm telling, let it finish. POC is finished and client is decided to implement the project. Okay, first initial 2 months, the client will come, project manager will come, the senior solution architect will come. So they will understand whether maturity of your supply chain, what is your existing systems, and how you are going to use IBP. That study they will do for 1 month, 120 days. As the study they will do. Of course, all business cases have done, and based on that only, because huge cost investment is there. IBP license is a not easy license for the clients. Okay, so based on that, the system, they have done the analysis and they decided implementation of IBP. So initial 2 months only documentation work and design work, at least 1.5 months. So writing blueprinting and business gathering. So what you want. So in blueprint, when you're writing blueprinting only, they will start identifying what are the master data required for your business, what are the master data types is required. And in blueprint itself, majority clients, means I'm not talking who are expert in IBP, they will define key figures there only on all blueprinting stage only. They will write what are the key figures you are going to use, what are the use cases I'm going to divide. So everything they will document in around 200 250 pages. They will everything they'll document. So what they will do, they have implemented, they will go all standard, everything is available, and they will start changing the word document and what are the key figures required. Demand planning implementing, it is standard. Demand planning is a standard. Okay, supply planning is also standard. This is all time series based. It is not like 1 minute. 1 minute. Sorry, yeah. So it is, everything is standard, means they will, in blueprint step only they will identify. After blueprint, design stage will be there. Okay, and realization of design, now they'll call design phase. Design phase means you have to define everything. What are the key figures, how many key figures, what is your time profile ID, what is attribute, how many attributes are using, how many master data types you are using. You have to define everything in your this, and you have to prepare the Excel file, that is design file, that just need to, you have to give to the IBP configurator team to develop the system. That's all. So that's why the implementation is 4 months. There is nothing is there. So 1.5 month design plus blueprint, and the rest one is 1.5 month is development, unit testing, and go live. Go live, they will do it, and they will purge all planning area. So they will do the in production, they will push the data, and they will declare when this business go live. Okay. Okay, so let me put my charger here. Yeah, so Jacob or Abdel asked me to how to maintain manual CVCs, POCs. Okay, don't get confused. I'm from IBP background, sorry, APO background. So in our word, always CVC. Okay, CVC, POC, the meaning is same. Okay, so here, just I'll go here, or let me come here. So here, sorry, not this sheet. Come here. So I use SAP standard templates. Okay, all SAP standard templates I use. Little bit slow, but okay, I can explain good here. So here, if I go edit view, so edit view attribute, I selected as product, customer, location. Time I selected month to December 2020. I selected here, and key figure I selected only at CPL, customer product level, monthly sales is selected. Okay, so in filters I put my all related stuff. Okay, and press OK. Okay, so yesterday I have assigned one to show you to CVC distribution at, sorry, the CP distribution on 2 location IDs, NDC and WBC. System is divided 50-50 in yesterday example. But I want to delete this combination. Planner says I want to delete. I don't want to keep this CVC in the system right now. So we have option to delete, create CVC. So here you go. So delete, the option is there. So okay, Then come here, CN IBP system is take on, and system says that there are two location IDs are there. So select this. So north distribution center, west distribution center. So I have to connect the synchronization north DC search for north DC. So I will delete the WDC, west distribution center. So select the WDC, whatever option system is giving here. So okay, take this. So are you sure? My system is asking once again the information pop up. Put the yes. System is deleting the system is deleting the data on this level. Then save this. Okay. So the system is, there is no need to save. System is automatically updated the CVC deletion. Okay. So now means I want to create the rest CVCs. Okay. So REST CVC, how can create? This is manual option is there. If I'm not loading the key figure at this level, so I need to create it in manual mode. Okay, then new planning object structure, then new pressed it, customer ID you maintain. So what I maintain CN. Okay, then rest of the product. See, remember when we loaded the combinations for this CPL, customer product, customer source, we have given all customers and product only one distribution center, based on the region. So north customer is assigned to north DC. Okay, so the only combinations available is for us is only north DC for this customer ID serving location, our customer source table. Okay, then so these are the product. Just okay, press it, let it, whether system will create or not, just check it out. Yeah, system is created the all CVC for this combination in manual mode. Then go for next. Okay, next is I will create the new combination for customer south. Then what are the products available? Take these all products 1 2 3 4. Then come here. Then what are the this is south means SDC. That combination is there. Okay. Okay. Are you getting my point? If not, I will explain you that concept. So this CVC combination, look into your customer source data. Okay, customer source is nothing but the relation between customer product location, from which location you are selling the product, customer source. Okay, so we are maintaining the combinations. For example, customer ID CN CS CW, customer west, customer south, customer north, customer east. Okay, load it. This is the distribution center we are maintaining. For east, we are east distribution center. North, we are north distribution center. If you select CE and NDC, system will throw the error. System will not throw the error. System will not accept it while you creating the data. Okay, so go here. Next is go to the master data, new planning object, create. Once is I need to create for CNCS, then I can create for South African East. Okay, so this is the method of creation of CVC. Okay, so then yesterday when I wanted to explain you, now we got the data. Okay, or here also I can save the data, monthly sales. Let me put as 100. Let me put till December end, 100. sorry, some okay, save the data. So request level calculation, one more error occurred. So such type of errors will be there in the system. This is a drawback of IBP. There is no there is no explanation for such errors. So in here we dependent on totally on SAP for solutions. So it is saving or no, let me check. Issue IBP backend service, XLX, contact your admin, mention log handle. Okay, such type of errors very difficult to resolve. Okay. Why it is not uploading this data, I don't know. Let me try for only this. Any I entered dot somewhere, something I entered, or let me check. It is empty, nothing is there. An unfrozen error occur. Please log off the disconnect, clear the metadata cache and try again. Okay, so this is always there will be a metadata, disconnect, log on, SOP connection, go here and edit. Here clear the metadata on the system. Clear the metadata, cleared, okay, okay, log on. Then try to save this data. Yeah, so data is the saved. But what happened to our new CVC, what we created? Huh? We are in the same, you know. Why these are disappeared?
Did we save it?
No, saving is not, we created means all CVC should be there. So let me go to some master data, then go for planning object, then give the
Maybe the CVC, maybe the POCs have not been saved and saving
no,
them
I
with the
think
value at the
some
same
error
time is
was there.
saving them.
Some error was there.
Yeah.
Let me check once again backend it is stored or not. Monthly. Oh, it is created for all combinations. Anyhow, means we want our customer IDs. It is not created. Some error was there in the system. It is not accepted our changes. Only one yesterday created option is there. Let me try. Means what is why it is my template is not supporting or some different issue is there. So such type of issues will be there when you start your project. Okay. So I will create master data. Sorry, new planning object. So let me store value for this combination, monthly sales. I think we are copied yesterday this value. So anyhow, all editable I put. So just save it. Yeah, system is accepting data on this level. Go there. Go for customer north. Product IBP 101. Location ID is North STC, which is a combination we maintained. Add it. So system is giving that material here. Okay, good. So let add 100. Save this. Okay, might be some I created this Excel. Such type of errors will be common, and some of the issues will be resolved, and some of the issues will not get resolved. In that case, we are dependent on SAP. Here we cannot identify that what log is saving is contact your system administrator. So in our SAP days also, any error comes, system administrator contact your SAP. That is same common error, and there is no documentations available. Means if you go to SAP our help portal or this, will not get any documentation for such errors. So you have to relog, clear the meta cache, and you start the work. I think there was an issue with our live meta cache. Okay, means always this is a very important, you get a such type of this. So you have to go here, disconnect, then go your log on, go your system, go to not system, go to directly edit, then I know my planning area, then go to edit, then clear the metadata cache. Okay, so you have to do this. Because of that, system is not saved data in, I believe, my assumption. Okay, that was the reason. Okay, that error also we got the same thing. Okay, then log on. Okay, then try to create all data and load the data immediately. What happens, will let me check once again. We'll do that exercise, what I've done it. So new planning object. So rest of this CN, then 2 and 3, products is remaining. And location is our north distribution center at sorry, how to, okay, save this data. So data is saved in our server, cloud server backend. Okay. So now, so when I explained yesterday, monthly sales at customer product level, I have done one request level calculation, if you remember yesterday. So all key figures should have a request level calculations. Okay. So all key figures should have request level calculations. So what request level calculations I will show today. So yesterday there was no example. System is slow. Okay. Sorry, buyer month production CP sale at request level. Nothing but sum of buyer month, this key figure, followed by month production location customer. So aggregated data. Okay, system is giving. So how this is applicable? Okay, so we'll go there. Okay, so edit planning view. Edit planning view. What I will do, I will load just, I don't want anything. I want customer. I want customer data should be loaded here. Okay, so let us load only CN customer. We have created the POC. So whatever customer north is there, system is going to load the data. So here, so this is request level calculation. I am requesting at customer north. So what is the customer north? So rest of the key figures, nothing is loaded. System is loaded the only customer ID, and it is saying 400, 400, 400. This aggregated all products. 4 products is added. This is the 400. It is not giving any information on product. This is the application of request level calculation. So each key figure you define in IBP, it must have not applicable for our helper key figures. Okay. Rest of all key figures, we should use request level calculation is mandatory. Request level calculation means any level we can analyze the data. Now load the data for product level. What system will give? I want load to data in product level. Product level, load the data at product level, what it gives. So data is loaded at product level. So this 100 product is this. If I have other example below for customer south or customer with whatever product, system will aggregate that data. Okay. So edit the view and we'll come to the location level. So location ID, NTC is having 400, 400 and last 200 data. So this is the aggregation of data. Request level means any level I can request the data. So that is the request calculation. System is summing up. System is summing up in all columns. Based on this level, system is summing up. Okay, so this concept, I think, hope it is clear for you. Now I need to go and explain the concept of based on other key figure. We will need to divide the values based on other key figure. That exercise we'll do it. Okay.
Srini, one question here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now you are aggregated at the location ID level, right? 400,
Yeah.
400, 200, right?
Yeah.
So if at all, if we change from 400 to 500 here, and if you go to the product location, will it disaggregate automatically or?
It will disaggregate. Let us do it. Okay, let me
Okay.
put 1000 here. Sorry, let us put 1000. I put at 1000 at my location. Then let me load the all data here. Okay, edit planning view. What it will give? Customer ID 250, 250, 250.
Equal distribution it does.
Equal distribution because
Okay.
we are not given which product, system don't know. We are given 1000 value. System took equal distribution. It allocated to 200, 250, 250 to that.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
And let us short from customer CPL. We will do another example. If I go, what happens if I go for customer level? Same thing. Customer also. If I go here, I don't have value here. Then it is equal distribution only. Customer level. Customer level, same it will give for your combination. Currently it is 1000 having. So here I can enter 1000, and here I'll enter 2000. So equal distribution is there in our setting. So system has to do the equal distribution. So edit, planning level, attribute.
Hello.
Okay. Hello, who is this?
We don't hear you, Srini.
Who is this? Hello. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
I saw one thing, the 20 hours IBP system is accessible. I think Srini is continuing here. We need to.
We need to inform
Maybe
him.
we're
Yeah.
changing.
Rini, we cannot hear you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Now we
Am I
can hear.
audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes. Now.
Yeah.
We
So,
lost 2-3 minutes.
okay. So screen was presenting or screen also was lost?
Screen was there.
Screen was there. So what I have done example, I change the customer level. Customer level I have changed. Customer level I have changed the customer level. I have changed the value. Then I load it. That example I showed. System is divided 500, 500 and 250, 250 initial reading. I didn't change any changes for this key figure. Okay. So this is the aggregations and disaggregation depending on different CPL. Okay, now let us come here where I define brand. Brand I defined in brand, where I define the brand. Brand I defined for product I defined. Location product. Okay. Let me try. I will not discuss today. Let me go for what we are discussing. I will once again will come for next week. We can discuss that how different. Here we are talking the aggregation, disaggregation bounds root attribute. Okay. Let me select what your system gives, whether the brand is there or not. Edit here. Edit planning view. Attributes. Brand. No, sorry, brand. So product to family. Family. Yeah, here product family is there. Okay, so let me load this. What happens, we'll see. I think I need to maintain data. If it's not working, tomorrow we'll discuss on this topic. Okay, so also the data comes from your brand level. This 100 I given the product family PFA. When you are loading the master data product, I given product family. Okay, here now I can remove the data. I remove the data attribute product. Let me put like this. System will take brand wise, sorry, product family wise. Product family wise, I can aggregate data, disaggregate data. Okay, so even though this is not root attribute, so it is a part of product attribute level. It is this our system will aggregate also. I can aggregate brand wise also, sorry, product family wise also aggregate the data. Let us go and just run it for this is CN, location and brand. Okay, so there are this customer source, customer not distribution center having two brands, n number of brands will be there, and what is the quantity. Demand planners will not work on location product. Demand planners always work brand category. Supply planners always work on location product. This is a basic difference in supply chain. So whenever any industry if you go, if it is a manufacturing vertical manufacturers, all supply planners will be concentrated on location product. All demand planners, marketing planners, brand and category. They want the data in brand and category. Okay. So if you go here, edit the planning, attributes, so then I can remove the customer. Let me load location also. Let me load the product family. So 1000, same will come. Okay, so these are the two brands aggregated level. So system also considers the attributes which you included at that level for aggregation and disaggregation. But data is stored at your product ID. Technically in background, data is stored at product ID. System is identifying, okay, there are two products are coming, IBP 100 and IBP 101 this product. System is aggregating that. Very basic concept, very basic concept. You are not familiar with demand planning or any other system, little bit difficult for you. If you are a demand planner, you can get the concept very easily, but this is the applications. I have selected product family as a root, not root attribute in my product master data. I have saved data at product ID, whatever data is saving at product ID, but I can play whatever assigned key figures in that my master data type. I can aggregate and disaggregate. I think little bit confusion to all of you. Are you clear?
Less on the demand side, if you can maybe emphasize.
Yeah, emphasize means just basic I'm explaining. Okay, what happened? So I'm aggregating the data product family level. That is a difference now. Okay, initially product ID I shown, my technical things I shown, but tomorrow situation may change. I want brand category wise because this PFA is having, I'll go to the master date.
Yeah.
Hello, am I
Same
audible
problem.
now? Am I audible? Hello. 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 Is unstable. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible?
Now, yeah.
Oh, sorry, some internet disturbances. I don't know today. So whenever you get such type of message, I will restart. You will continue once again. If I got, let me restart my internet server and everything. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll continue. Okay. So if you, this is a very basic concept. Okay. Aggregation and disaggregation. If I go here, master data, once again, I will explain you here. Create master data, product. IBP 100, IBP 101 is product family this. and this is having 2 product families. So system is 2 product, it is aggregating at 1000 level 500 500, and this is 100 aggregating at 500 500. So 1000 system is given. Okay, so system is going individual master data, also it is going for aggregation and disaggregation, individual master data type attributes. Okay, so I can classify whatever I can assign, system will accept that here. Little bit complex as compared to SAP and other systems to understand this concept. Okay, it is not straightforward SAP. If you go material master MM01 and this is the planning, so nothing is here. You have to define your own model. Okay, so load it for your product level, then edit.
You said on demand planning, there's only product family and sales that is focused for the plan.
Yeah, who is this? Abdul? Yeah. So means when you go for standard implementation, so we can run means data will be stored out always product level technically means, but when you create the view all other things, so demand planner more interested on your demand brand and other stuff, brand product category and that level they work. Means if you come for supply planner, they always on location product level. Means the supply is related to location, no? So which plant what quantity manufactures, so that is the difference. So if you talk brand category, so the brand category product family, that level demand planner will discuss always. Okay, then okay, so what wanted to explain today? Okay, attribute, this concept I cleared. So we'll discuss once again when I start the demand planning flows. Okay, so now I can move for key figure disaggregation functionality. Okay, so let me go for here. I created one planning view. Okay, let me load it first. Okay, so let me here. So delete this. I think it is created initially. Oh, don't get confused. Let me first delete this. System is doing okay. 500 monthly sales forecast monthly. Okay, it's already there. Okay, so monthly 250. Whatever we are loaded, system is also considering whatever I loaded here in this planning view. System is checking. I think here. No, sorry, here. Okay, this is CPL level, customer product location level. Delete this, save this. Everything disappeared. Okay, so let me load all key figures here. I will remove the product family. Don't get product family, you remove it. Your customer product location, load this data. So we need to make a change. I need to explain the concept of disaggregation functionality. Whenever key figure comes at higher level value, means for customer level, or for example, multiple examples. So when you're copying from one key figure to another key figure, there is always scenario, dependent key figure, where you're copying target key figure, have some disaggregation rules. Okay, based on some other key figure or some based on other things, so we can do the disaggregation. Okay, so let us go, let us start this example. So we have here, say, monthly X forecast, monthly X post forecast, one key figure already created in the system. So I will go to this here. All of you know history forecast is called as X post forecast. Okay, means if you are not familiar with this word, so whatever today's whatever previous forecast is called X post forecast, we are having a lot of mathematical rules to calculate that X post forecast. If you work with demand planning, all scenarios will come to know the concept of X post forecast. Okay, here I will enter the MTH and enter. So I have defined X post forecast a key figure here. It's already defined. Okay, this is nothing, a stored key figure. What I defined here, or it is all editable, a stored key figure. Okay, so there is no proportional factor, equal distribution, no proportional disaggregation. Then I use this as a already table, simple key figure, stored key figure I created for this. Okay, this is usually system calculated values, ex post forecast in our scenarios when you talk about business. Okay, so now I want to disaggregate my monthly sales at CPL level based on the level of this key figure. Ensure that this is also planning level, it's base planning level, month, product, cost, luck. So whenever you're disaggregating, the both your base planning level should match, other system will not accept. That is one rules. Okay, so whenever I'm doing disaggregation function, month, prod, cost, log should be there. So I'm telling to my system what you do. You are getting data at CP level, customer product. Okay, from yesterday's example, when you copied this, so we are having data at CP level, customer product level. You are having data. Okay, but you want to copy based on whenever you copy at CP level, but disaggregate with respect to this guy, monthly ex post forecast key figure. Okay, so that I'm giving instruction to my system. So whenever you disaggregate this key figure, monthly sales, you disaggregate based on this key figure. So that expression I need to write. Widely used in copy operators. Whenever you copy, I want to change the rules, I can use my how aggregated data will disaggregate within the key figure. So I have to give some disaggregation expressions. Okay, I can write disaggregate expression, or based on other dependent key figure I can write. So let me go to okay, so let me come here. Key figures, planning levels, key figures, I'm in key figure. Okay, then which key figure we are changing? PA. So PA CPL. So we want this should be declared as, I need to include this key figure disaggregation functionality. Okay, edit. So all editable, equal distribution, no proportional functional disaggregation I took. Now I will took dependent stored value of other key figures. Okay, so what this is the proportional factors. So using demand planning all scenarios, proportional factors will be stored in other key figure. Based on that, I can disaggregate my data. So that also scenario will be there. So we can calculate the proportional factors, we can store it on key figure, and whenever disaggregate based on this, you disaggregate the data. So I'm giving instruction to my system. So which key figure proportionality you have to divide. So all monthly key figures will be populated here. So system chooses based on the planning level, system gives automatic that only. You cannot select another key figure. So system only gives you the base planning level, month, prod, cost, month, prod, log, cost key figures only. You cannot do anything here. System will not at all give you to do the mistakes. System is understanding these are the key figures you can use. That's all. System is proposing this key figure your option. There is no other option to select. Okay, so mine is ex post forecast. Based on this key figure, I want to disaggregate my data. Okay. Okay, then just this is the one change I made. This is proportionality I put. I selected no proportional disaggregation we use initially. Now we are using proportional disaggregation based on other key figures stored value. Okay, so let me save this. What happens? System will go inactive status. So whenever I do any changes for my inactive, system asks me, you have done the key figure changes. So we need to activate, we need to check whether it is everything correct or not. System because inactive. So if I run in full dependency with scope, let me activate. Yesterday, Satish asked me to do it. System will throw immediate error. That's all. System will throw the red color error, and errors are there. So you open logs. Okay, this is error. Come here, warning, warning, error message. Okay, system is giving error warning. So this is the IBP foundation, area IBP foundation. So system is giving explanation here. System writes all details here. Okay, so don't worry on this, how to correct all this erroneous configuration. System try to give some explanation on all errors. Okay, here system is asking me to go and select inactive mode. You have to suppress this error is asking. So I will go and suppress this error by using my limited scope activation. It will take some time.
So Srini, here the process is you change the parameters of one key figure to enable the disaggregation, right?
Yeah, disaggregation dependent on other key figure.
From another key figure. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll run the scenario here. Or simply I can save the data. Let me check how without copying also. Let me do one example here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this aggregation, disaggregation, if you understand the concept, no, means IBP is very easy for you. And we are talking all time series data. When you go RCC and all other stuff, you are talking order series. Okay. So a little bit difficult for to understand the concept. Once you are strong aggregation, disaggregation concept in your mind, how system is behaving, then you'll get the concept very easily. Okay. So I have activated. So the basic rule is I need to disconnect. Otherwise, system will not accept the changes. Contour planning. Okay, this is my monthly. Satish. Okay, admit. See, this is the monthly exposed forecast. It is having some value. Okay, it has some value. So let me enter. So 25. So here 25. Let me show you example. First, initially we go. Let me put here 25. Here 25. Just I'm creating one simulation example. Let system how it behaves. Okay, store it. Then go to this planning view. Have we stored any data here? I think we haven't stored data. CPL level we store data. Just check it out. We store data here, but nevertheless, so I will go for here. So here I will load the data into customer CN. Customer CN customer ID. I will load. CN only took monthly sales. So give me 1000. Save this data. So just refresh this. System is giving 250, 250, 250 for each combinations. So based on other key figure, I have divided the data. I disaggregated the data in the system. This is very useful functionality. Various scenarios we are using this. Okay, let me put for an example. What happens? Let me put here 25. Just I'm playing with the system. Okay, just I put my 25 here and I don't have any value. System what it does, according to me, it has to load all data there only. Let me put that value here. Okay, so I don't have in any other value there. Okay, go to the May month, get to the May month and enter the 1000 value for the monthly sales CPL. Save it. How system is disaggregating, the data is taking from the other key figure. Yes, system is loaded the all data here only because there is no value present for this key figure here. So this concept clear or you have some doubts?
Which data do you have input? The 25?
Yeah. Okay, Abdel, no? So yeah, so let me explain you. So I'm having the key figure here for this customer CPL level. I'm having the monthly export forecast. Okay, so initially I have 25 at this level. Then I have 25 IPP 100 location NDC North Distribution Center. I'm having 25. Okay, then IPP 100. This is the products. This is whatever I define. This is my product and this is distribution center. I'm having 25. 25 is export cost quantity. But my view here, business scenario is that I don't have any details. Only they are getting the customer sales. The scenario is that I want only customer sales.
Okay, but
Customer sales in North region, monthly sales in CPL level. So customer, this view is data is not there for me. The data is loaded in system at header level, at customer level.
This view, what is this view? This tab?
This tab is having customer. For customer, we have the customer at CPL level, customer product level, the value of 1000. Okay, customer north. There is no product details.
Okay,
there is
no product details.
No product details. Even though if it is,
we have customer only.
Customer only.
Okay.
We are having only customer only. We don't have any details.
Okay.
And customer data 1000. If you load it here, if you load other 1000 here, I think. Okay, I don't have any relations there. Let me save it. What system gives? Okay, here you increase 2000 if you give here. Okay, save this. Okay, and this level, if you go here, the system is equally distributing these values since it doesn't have anything. It doesn't have any values, so system is giving for all 3333. It didn't get any distributions here, any value, so system is equally distributed this value. Okay, wherever it is finding the key figure, system is giving the dividing for. Here it found a value, it's given 1000. Here it find out the 25, 25, 25, it calculated percentage, 25%, 25%, 25%. System will calculate ratios and distribute the values. If it is not having any value, system will go here and will give the value. Okay, and if you're not finding any value for monthly X forecast on month of June, system is divided the value here. Okay, then go here and if you edit and load the data at your key figures. Key figures, so I can load attributes, product, location, customer, just example. Yeah, so same thing, it came here. Any doubt? I think you are, Abdel, are you okay or still confusion to you?
No, okay. I was just wondering why IBP 101 doesn't have any values. Is it not attached to customer CN?
IBP 101
1
is not having values in which month?
June.
June. IBP June. NTC CN. Let me check. 1000 already divided 3. Okay. Let me check. Good, I identified good error. Let me check the NDC master data level, CN 100 and NDC. Now I think system needs to queue this data. Otherwise, system wide created CVCs. It has to generate the CVC. It has to disaggregate. CPL. Customer source, then go for customer ID is deselected. Customer ID is deselected. Customer north only loaded. So we are having NDC, NDC, NDC,
Yeah.
and we are having this IBP 100 is connected. Customer sourcing is 100. But why system is not giving this to? Let me, this is good identified. So yeah, 1000 I loaded on this NDC. NDC I loaded. Whether I have some value here, nothing. 25 is here in this month X forecast. Nothing is here. Let us go here, divide you another 1000 in July. So load the data at customer level. Attribute, location, customer ID. So load 100,000. 1000, then go here. So how system is, it is not at all disaggregated.
Hey Srini, I think the disaggregation is based on the monthly ex post forecast only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Whether I loaded in, whether, no, here why it is not disaggregating here, surprise results. Okay, I don't know why system is behaving like this. I never saw. Okay, so you are correct. Why it is not giving 10033 to this customer? It is equally should divide, but here it is not at all dividing. Okay, something I to write null values or something.
So only if you put a monthly exposed forecast value there, it will disaggregate, right? Because we have mentioned it's dependent on this.
Yeah,
because now
dependent. Yeah, but I'm loading at customer sales. No, okay, sorry, I got it. I got it here. What is happening? Initially, I loaded my forecast file in this, and I have made the changes. Now, system is assuming I have to clear the meta. I have to disconnect, and once again, I have to connect to work that scenario. Let me try once again. Example. Let me put disconnect. Log on. Log on. Okay. Then load the data once again. Edit planning view. Customer level ID, customer ID, group to monthly CPL. Okay, then I put the data here. Okay, then put another 1000. Okay, let me change here 2000. Not 200. Let me, no problem. Whatever you can take. Let us take. Very strange thing. Let me put very strange thing. Why it is not taking directly? It is giving for this combination. Whatever I'm entering, it is giving for this combination, even though values are 0. Okay, values are null. Change here 300. Don't worry, when you go for implementations, we'll find a lot of issues and such FF issues. We are always dependent on SIM. Here, I use all my calculation here. I'm not make it out why system is behaving like this. Whether I have done basic config mistake, I'm not miss. Whatever recipe suggested, I have maintained everything. Okay. But in this system is behaving differently, and here it is not at all finding value. So it is giving for first CVC, it is loading the value. Generally, it should not do anything. It should not disintegrate the data. Okay, so this is, I can write to SAP such type of issues, but let me, without concluding that, you need to discuss with your colleagues or try to find out what is the root cause. I maintained everything all correct here. I'm not finding any error from my end. So if I maintain this value, system does correct calculations. It will calculate the ratio. Okay.
In the selection filter, did we selected only April or May, June, July also?
Everything selected. That also I can check here. I think I selected all CN and all IBP, MDC. No, that is the not matter.
Period.
Let me check. Why it is already open. No, month period selected, month to December. Key figure selected, filters, it is selected, NDC, STC, WBC, and all my products are available. Okay, but we are working for only IBP 100. We not gone through this. Okay, CMI distributed. Customer I distributed. And I loaded this product. Such type of issues will be there whenever you go for implementation. We'll get a lot of things, so we need to open OSS notes. Okay, so here I'm not able to make, means as per configurations, as per configurations key figure by this CPL level, monthly sales at CPL level, I given divide on based on monthly expose forecast. Okay, and if I not given any value, system should, negative testing I'm doing, system should give equal distribution or it should not divide. So that I'm expecting from system. Equal distribution would have accepted. So I have any options in key figure to do this. Equal distribution is there. Okay, equal distribution, and let me, what options? Nothing is here. Equal distribution. If this is not there. Okay, this is nothing. I will not save anything. Okay, so let us continue our further discussion. Let me identify what is the root cause for this. Okay, so let me try entering other values here. So here 10 I entered. Okay, then save it. System is not going to do that immediate dynamic calculations. Okay, so when you load the next time at header level, then system is going to update that. System is going to calculate the proportions. Yeah, so 500, 143 is give to this, 357 to give to this. Okay, so this is a just shown you example. I will come up tomorrow. Let me identify what is the root cause if value is 0 or not. So in our project usually will not encounter such error, but there are multiple different error will be there. So let me identify whether we are missing any setting. I don't think so. System, when we not maintain anything, if I maintain the some Excel, I think it is taking at this value I'm entering here. No, it is taking at only at customer IBP customer customer not is taking at only on IBP 100 and NDC. So that's why we are not able to distribute on other products. Once again, everything you delete this. Save. That data I think aggregated from bottom. Okay. Refresh it. Enter 100. This month 100. And also here also 100 you mention, and here also 100 you mention. Then save this. Strange. This is totally strange. It's done in the first column, second column it is doing, and it is went for only 3 customers it is giving. I think it is some aggregation and disaggregation. Okay, so leave these 2 columns. So I will do some investigation on this point and will come, otherwise simply we lose our time. Okay, so just understand the concept. So we explain the disaggregation based on other key figure. Whatever the data of monthly exposed forecast, system is disaggregating those values on based on that. Just that is the concept. Okay. So any questions, Leave about these questions? This is an error. I will identify what is the root cause for that and we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay.
I
So,
just wanted to know the relation, the exact relation between monthly ex-post forecast, your value here, and the value on the sales. It does the calculation.
okay, so it was does the calculation. Here it is calculates. Here I'm having 10, and here I'm having monthly is 25. Okay, system consider this is 100 and proportionate it will divide. It's a percentage calculation. Okay, so system assume this combined both is 100 and you have to give the 20 what is percent of this you should do whatever coming top 100 to this and 100 to this. For example, here having each 25 25 25 100 comes, system will divide into 4 equal parts, 25 25 25.
Okay, but where do we get our 100 in May?
100 I stored 100 here, and my proportional factors are like this. This is my proportional factors. These are my proportional factors. 10 I have. If I maintain here 25, go have to delete this because aggregation won't work. If you delete here,
Yeah.
delete this record, save the data. Okay, then come to the planning view. Then come to planning view. So disappeared. You maintain here. So what system should divide? You tell me.
So you
Or
said that the monthly is
monthly for May IPP 100 product on North Distribution Center and IPP 101, both in having records 25 25. Then if I enter 100 here, how system should divide? Can you tell me? If I enter May month 100.
That's my question.
Okay, so system will divide, it will go here, it will identify both are 25 25, both are 25 25, equal 50%, 50% it will give. Okay, if I save this data, then system will update 50 50 each.
50 50 each, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, so this. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
So Srini, my question is like, don't we have to put under 33 a value for the monthly exposed forecast? Don't we have to, because now it's blank.
I've done some negative testing. I would not done this in the scenario. I've done some negative testing. Usually scenario is not there. It should have some values. I have done some testing with system, negative testing. Okay, it should have some values.
So now as it doesn't have any values, and then the division of that, I mean, disaggregation of 33.
It equally has to distribute across this as per logic. If it doesn't have value.
But then it's correct, right? Or?
Where it is doing, it is not doing equal distribution. No, it is here 33, 33 it gave. And it gave 100 for only this combination. This customer, this product, this location gave 100. So it should divide. Okay. Why it is behaving different? So it is, I need to identify the root cause, whether I aggregated the data or I've done something wrong. Nothing is wrong is nothing is there. Some we have to refresh and you have to delete that data. So once again, I've done this, but unfortunately it's not working. It happens when you start testing, such type of scenarios will be there. It is not easy, even though if you know concept. Sometimes when I started last implementation, so we spent 3 months, same disaggregation was not taking place. at all. And we write to SAP and we don't know, and SAP, they also don't know what is the solution for that. And suddenly system started working. Nobody knows the root cause of what happened. So such scenarios will be there. Okay, if you maintain this, and we have to, this is aggregation value means, okay, aggregation value. So customer product level, customer level, I'm getting the data. Give me, sorry. Yeah, so this values is here. So system identified this value out here, and give some example. If you write one also here, okay, one also here, system will push all data into that key figure. If I entered and that POC combination, if I enter month of August, 100 quantity, save this. Go here. So it's brought it here. So system expects some value should be there, or some zero value should be there. Means we can write it as SAP suggest fill this area by zero value. Some it will give some suggestions if you go. It is not working there. Okay. So yeah, so I covered the this, okay, I covered the disaggregation, key figure disaggregation we discussed. Apart from this error, we'll find out. This is the concept. You got the concept now, means how system divides the value based on depending on other key figure. Very important, we are using in demand planning whenever we are disaggregating the forecast. Usually the statistical forecast is disaggregated with respect to the CPL, means proportional factors, what we calculate, our proportional factors we calculate in system. The majority will be in demand planning, the disaggregation of statistical forecast. We use this application disaggregate based on other key figures. And whenever also some of the copy between the some planning copy operators at header level you are copied and we have some reference, then I can give and I can copy disaggregate the data. Okay, that is a major application.
We agree that theoretically, if we have all the products attached to customer north, if we have aggregated sales on a monthly for the customer only level, it should be distributed in all the products.
That is initial scenario where I showed if I not use any key figure. So I will show you here on this example. If you remember, I assigned only the IBP 100 is there. Let me load the north product. So north DC here, edit the profile, then go here. This is only customer product we'll talk for your example. Okay. So attributes. So attributes is there. Then what I wanted to change here, only you want to customer level, load the data. So 100 for all CN. So if you have the data sales value of 100 for 1000 for this customer north, okay, load this, save to the key figure. So this data is coming. System, what it is going? It is going for products. It is going to do equal distribution 250, 250, 250. So I will go edit planning book, attribute. I will include product and save this. So such type of exercise was not at all possible in our APO DP. It was very difficult to do. Okay. So what happened? Why it is giving, okay. Here, there is no IPP 100, 100, 100. Okay, only one product is there here.
Yeah.
That is a problem. So what happened? I think we faced some error when we created okay, let me check once again my master data CVCs here. Why the other products are coming, not coming? Edit. Key figures. Whether we created the CVCs for this, I'm not remembering. CVC means POCs. Let me create some POCs for this. Then we can try our scenario. Okay, POCs, planning object combinations. So I created only these combinations here.
CN, huh?
CN and only one product. CE, only one product we used for all our distribution centers. Let me use another product here. So create the combination, planning value combination, new CVC. So here I will select CN, then I will go, then product I will select IPP 100, 200, create it. Yeah, so we got for all CN, all products we got. Customer North, we got all product combinations here. Okay, now I'll put delete this value, delete all these values and save this for reference. Now I have POCs for that. Okay, meaning this was not be created as I said, whenever you load, system is create the data whenever I load the data. Now what I will do, I will go edit planning view, attribute. So I will select only customer and customer level. I enter for IPP this location 100. Save the data. Then load the data, load the report for the location product level also. Customer ID, product ID, load this. Some system is not behaving correctly. I created the POC and that POC is disappeared. I think same error I'm getting. You just saw I created the POC and that POC disappeared.
Wow, maybe we can take that example for the next session. And
no, let me try, because why system is behaving like a strange, very strange for me.
yeah, sure.
What happens now when I use this kind of templates, SAP templates, it's standard, we get errors. If I do in Excel, in my own plain Excel, it will be very good. But CN, sorry, what I'm creating here, CN I created already, CN I already used, then product, so use this already there. Why this POC is not saved? POC should get saved automatically in the system. Okay, whether I not press the data or one or nothing, I don't know here. Save the data. Just no, something wrong. Something wrong. System is not working.
I like the error.
Hmm?
I like the error.
Yeah. Strange error. Very strange for me. Very strange. See, I'm creating the POCs. I'm storing the POC in front of the system. Let us disconnect. Only two combination, customer and product. I'm not creating use combinations here. Why system is and only 00 values is I maintained already. So system has to accept it. New planning object, CN. System is creating. If some error is there, system will not at all create. System is creating here. Let me store some values at 111 here. Save. Yes, sir, there was meta cache error in the system. We should not get this, but if I use my template, system will not do. But I wanted to show some SAP template today, so some screens and other stuff. So that's why system is throwing some error. Now I got it. Okay, 111. I saved the data. I think it should work. Okay. Now you go here. What I explained to Abdel. So edit. Go here. Attribute. Load only customer-wise data. Okay. Customer-wise data. Okay. already 4 is
Oh.
there. Delete this. Okay, then give 100, 100, 100. Okay, save this. Okay, whenever I change, save this, then the data will disappear. Load 100, 100, 100. Save this. Then load the reloaded data at customer product. So what we'll get? $25, $25, $25, $100, $100, $100. It should divide. 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 Okay. Customer. Let me load customers only. Attribute, day ruling, year, month we take. Key figures. Key figures I take beer, monthly sales. This is my key figure I'm interested. So then filter I will give only customer ID, customer ID, customer ID, customer north. Cancel currency ID. Customer ID. Customer north. Select this. Load. Hundred. So for this, delete this, save. Okay. Edit master data. Master data management. So let me load the CVCs for that. Whether CVC is great or not, we'll check it out once again. Go ahead. Then also load the products. Yeah, so all CVCs are here in the system. Now I need to load only 100, 100, 100 at this level. Then let us see what happens. Okay. Save the data. And distribute to all our product attributes also. Then select product also. No. Why? Because we have created the CVC, okay, and we have not entered any records in that area. Only 111 we entered, you remember?
Yeah.
So system is identifying this only here, and future it is not at all identifying. So there is some initialization issue. in the key figure, some value should be stored at that level. Then only system is proposing that new CVC created. No, some key figure value, some should be there. Then only, not at this level or any other key figure level, for that combination some value should be there. Then only system recognizes in that period some value is there. Otherwise system will not recognize. If I put 111 for all combinations, system will divide this. Okay, so that is the basic thing. So whenever we go for implementation, so we will run the key figure initialization. The meaning is we are storing for that level, we are loading the value 11111 for all combinations. So meaning is that level the planning ID is activated, planning level ID is activated, so we will not get error here. Okay, so here it is dividing absolutely right. So if I save something data, then system will recognize that. Okay, so here okay, so I wanted to cover the next two topics called key figure calculations, then key figure planning notes and fixing. So I wanted to cover that. So we'll continue next. So I would like to continue from Wednesday onwards. Is it okay for you? Means if I start on Wednesday or Thursday?
My side, it's fine.
Yeah.
Satish?
What
I'm
time?
okay.
Same
I'm
time,
okay.
same time, 6 to 8.
I'm okay.
So for you, Sham?
Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday? Ashwini?
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, we'll continually finish. We'll complete our foundation course, then I'll jump into demand planning.
Okay, I think can we do like instead of 6, can we do at 5? Because I may have some meeting from 7:30 my time. Is
5
it
o'clock.
possible?
So 5 o'clock's too early for you, no?
Yeah, weekdays it's fine. Weekends I thought okay. Weekdays 5 o'clock is fine with me. If everybody's okay, I'm fine.
Okay,
with
let
5
me
o'clock.
plan when I'll go, whether if I'm having busy with my demo, means there is also my customer demos were there and already postponed. So due
Okay.
to some customers are not available, I'm little bit free in this week. This majority
Okay.
time I'm free. So let me push our training part. So I wanted to cover it this week mid. I want to finish the foundation course, then I can start the demand planning. Okay, so that is my
Okay.
plan. So today we finish key figure disaggregation concept. Okay, and key figure calculation I wanted to do. Key figure calculation I wanted to do, and fixing and planning notes. Okay, that too I wanted to do. So let me come here. Hope it is clear to all of you how to disintegrate the key figure based on other key figure value. So I explained this concept, very much used for all projects. Okay, all our implementation. Then I explained about little bit we discussed on our planning area and other disaggregation aggregation we have done. Some basic, some minor bugs are there in the system. I will rectify that. So it is not like that. So you have to load the initialization key figure, system automatically clear those error. Okay. Then I shown you how to load the key figure data in your today's session. Okay. So any questions? So I can discuss for 2 minutes. Otherwise, we can continue our discussion coming Wednesday or Thursday. I will inform you in advance one day. Okay. So if any questions, I can discuss. I can close the call.
Srini, you
Yeah,
have my email.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Srini, you have my email address to communicate, right?
No, I don't have any communication. You better to contact Rajesh. I asked him to
Okay.
include my name also, but every time I'm discussing with him, I forgot to tell to include my name. So we can
Okay.
get in touch with our WhatsApp. That should be right.
Okay.
Yeah. So anything, Abdul, you're asking some questions?
Yeah, just on the example that didn't work so far, it was just if you have a user guide on how to set it up and to
yeah, user guide means whatever this is, I have done this. Okay, that planning level creation, some metadata was refreshed it, I refreshed it, and let me check means to how to voice keys not aggregate. I will next class when I start, I will find out the basic
to
things.
disaggregate on another key figure so that we get the example, clearly on our mind working well.
No, that is negative test, it is failed. Positive test, it is working. Negative test, if I not enter the value, system how it's behaving, it is failed. Let me check for that. What is the root cause for that? I will come on that. Okay.
Okay, good. Thanks.
So we'll discuss on coming Wednesday or Thursday. I will inform you on Tuesday whether I will take Wednesday or Thursday. So this week I want to cover, next week coming 8 hours I want to cover to speed up. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wednesday at 5, you said, right?
What you said?
Yeah, you said Wednesday, next Wednesday at 5.
5 IST because
5 IST,
Sham
okay.
is having some issues. Wednesday
Yeah.
or Thursday, I will clarify on coming Tuesday.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.